What's going on, guys? It's Holland back from Cocafea. This week we have something super interesting coming. I got a really cool idea from a movie that we just watched. It's called The Social Dilemma. And within that movie they talk a lot about, on social media, how they have algorithms. And these algorithms influence what people see, what they watch, what they purchase. So it really inspired me with this idea of like a glitched out screen controlling what people were seeing. Almost like forcing them to watch whatever it wants. So I'm hopefully going to be able to turn this vision into some sort of masterpiece or artwork, if you'd say. So come along with me on this adventure and hopefully we can get this vision on a canvas.
So for today's project, as always, we're starting off with a really rough sketch. And I think probably the most challenging part of this whole painting is going to be the hands. They're going to be the most detailed and the most tricky to paint because they are going to be black. So now that I have a sketch that I'm pretty okay with, I'm going to start sharpieing in my rough guidelines for my painting. For the screen, I'm going to be trying to replicate a Please Stand By glitched out screen because it has a lot of colors and this painting is going to have a lot of black in it. So I think these colors are really going to make the background pop. After I've covered the hands all in black, I'm adding white to wherever I think that there might be light hitting the hands. And then I'll go over with black paint all over the corners to really define the hands and all the lines in the fingers. For the algorithm's eyes, I thought it would be really cool to have them phasing in and off the screen. And to do that, I took a white Sharpie marker and a red Sharpie marker, and I just drew a line on either side of the eyes, and it gave it a really cool effect. And of course, this could not be a Cocafea painting if it didn't have the Cocafea eyes on it. So all the eyes that the algorithm is controlling will be Cocafea eyes. Finally, nearing the final stages of this painting, all I have left to do is to white out the canvas and all the white points, as well as Sharpie over anything black.
So now that I'm done with my white paint, all that's left to do is to go over everything that's really black and Sharpie it out so that it goes like the really jet black that I'm going for. I love this piece. It's exactly, okay, not exactly, but it's pretty close to what I envisioned. You can go check out this finished copy on our Instagram. It'll be linked in the description box below, and you can go check that out for yourself. If you liked today's video, leave a like, subscribe. There's lots more stuff coming like this in the future. So come on down and check out what Cocafea has to offer. Am I right or no? I'm saying too much, I think. We'll see you in the next video.